So I'm here in the bug house of horrors. Just an update, the debugging has begun. So here's part 2, quick update. The last video you saw was kind of the horror of what we discovered in the bug house of horrors, as I delightfully named it. So we have spearheaded some different projects. We found an amazing project manager. His name is Emilio, JT Home. He networks and gets all the quotes for us with people who do good work, hard workers, and we couldn't be more happy. So the project for the bug house of horrors, which we are going to be calling the Love Shack soon, because we do have a tin roof and it is rusted. We have been doing a lot of work here, as you can see. But we removed all the trellises. I will show you a video to remind you what that looked like, and so you can see how it looked when we removed them. Just bug infested and wasp infested and just infested they were. So we have removed the trellises, reinstalled the glass. It does need to be cleaned. It is quite dirty. We did clean the bugs off of it, but it needs to be Windexed pretty thoroughly. But we also had all of the windows painted white in here, so we're trying to brighten it up. I'll show you a little glimpse of what those trellises look like. They are cutting wood and rebuilding frames for the trellis area on the second floor. So we're right in the middle of the first project for this house, and I think it was the most important project, was just to get rid of the bugs and the trellises of dead bugs. So we have that down finally. They had to rebuild the frame. Very nervous. And all the new interior doors and windows are painted white, so that also helps with bringing some light in, because it is all wood. It is very dark. So the bug house of horrors is being debugged, and one of the things we also did was painted all the windows white to help brighten this space. And if you come out here, you can see the glass with the trellises has been removed. You can hear a lot of the work going on upstairs. You can see that they removed the trellises up there. We've tried to install some new lighting. We've discovered there's piles and piles of lizard eggs. Oh no, it's cracked. Sorry if I look a mess, but I am. Our plans are to get rid of this light here, and we are going to install a badass new light. We're going to keep the dining room table that came with the house, but we will be fixing up those chairs. I brought a really awesome floral not floral, tropical leaf pattern fabric from the States. It's actually an outdoor canvas fabric, so it'll be perfect. You can wipe it off. It should be durable. So some of the plans we have are eventually, when we can get the business up and running, then I have a sander, an electric sander, and I'm literally going to sand the walls in here, at least on the first floor, and whitewash them and paint them. Eventually we have to install some sort of new flooring. I'm not 100% sure what we're going to do for that. That probably isn't going to happen for quite a while because we don't have it in the budget. But we can definitely paint the walls. It's something we can do ourselves. Another thing is in the kitchen. In the kitchen, we are going to paint that turquoise, and this credenza was left in my house, but it's going to be painted the same turquoise as the kitchen, and it's going to become a really cute little TV stand. We're going to reuse the dining room table, like I said, and we're just going to reupholster the chairs. We're going to purchase a new couch for this house though, and it didn't come with AC, so we are going to have AC installed. Another thing is there's only one half of the railing here. It's very dangerous. We are going to have that removed, and we met a metal worker, and we're still waiting on the quote, but we're hoping it's reasonable, and we're just going to have a nice rustic metal stair railing. I'm tired. Stairway railing. I can't say that word. Installed. So it'll be really nice. And I designed something that's very curvy because there's so many straight lines in here. So I designed a railing that had a lot of like circles and swirls in it. So it should be quite a vast improvement. But we are making progress. Things are improving. We have calmed down a bit more. You can hear construction going on upstairs. They had to rebuild some of the glass frames. The last piece of glass is being reinstalled without the trellises.
Vient revoir les anciens, faire son métier, le public se souvient.